Welcome back to Market Matters. Have you ever wished you could see exactly what's happening in the market beyond the usual bid-ask data? Well, just like a parking assist camera changes how you park your car, there's a trading tool that can give you complete visibility of what's going on in the order book. It's called Level 3 Data, or the 20 Market Depth. This powerful tool is now available to retail traders like you and me. When I first got parking assist in my car, I never had to twist my head or ask someone to guide me again. It gave me complete visibility and removed the guesswork. Level 3 Data does the same thing in trading. It removes the guesswork by showing you all the bids and offers up to 20 levels deep instead of just the top 5. Traditionally, as a retail trader, you only see the top 5 bid and ask prices in the market depth. But with Level 3 Data on Broker application, you get up to 20 levels of bids and offers. This means you can see hidden liquidity, spot where big orders are sitting, and make much better trading decisions. Let's say you're an options trader looking at a contract that seems illiquid in the normal 5-depth window. You might think, not worth trading. But open the 20-depth window and boom! You see big quantities hidden further down. This changes your perspective entirely and could open up new trading opportunities. When scalping, execution speed and price control are everything. With Level 3 data, you can see exactly at what prices your market order will get filled. For example, if you want to buy 5,000 shares, you can instantly see whether they'll get filled between 210 rupees 5 rupees and 211 rupees 25 rupees and plan your trade accordingly. Position sizing becomes smarter when you know exactly how much liquidity is available. Instead of being limited to what the top 5 levels show, Level 3 Data lets you gauge true liquidity and plan larger trades with minimal impact cost. Want to place a smart stop loss? Look for clusters of bids or offers in the 20-depth window. If you see heavy buying interest at 1290, that's potential support. You might set your stop loss slightly below that, say 1287, to reduce the chance of being stopped out unnecessarily. The best part? Level 3 Data often confirms what you see on charts. If your technical analysis shows support around 1290 to 1300, and the 20 depth shows heavy buying there, you've got strong confirmation. So, whether you're trading options, scalping stocks, or making intraday moves, Level 3 Data gives you an edge. Start exploring the 20 market depth on Upstocks today and trade with the full picture in view. This is Market Matters, Episode 15, and we've got plenty more free stock market lessons coming your way. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone learning the markets. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated on all upcoming episodes. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing.